how little he is. Look at that. It's just a baby.
I know. Look how little his head is. He's growing though. He's grown quite a bit.
He's so little.
Well, how are you doing, mister? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Bonham Tx. I'm Josh.
I'm Audra.
And we got a little treat for him, don't we?
Yep, we sure do.
So we're gonna go down memory lane with a goat that everybody knows is Tiny. He was born here on this farm. He was one of the tiniest goats we'd ever seen. And we're gonna go relive, take you guys back, show you guys how he's doing, go to where he is now, because I know several of you guys have been asking about him. And we went and checked up on him. We want to bring him to you guys. Some of our old subscribers, you guys seen him from day one. Our new subscribers, if you don't know, you'll be able to see how he was come about, how he's doing. And stick around for the end, because you know what we're going to do?
Give the goat away today.
We're going to give that goat away. So we're going to draw for the goat. You guys don't want to miss that. Stick around to the end to see who wins. And we've got quite the crowd around us right now.
We got Mo.
We got Mo.
Mo.
And we got all these little... Oh, Mo scared her. We got all these little teenagers.
Mo.
Oh, that makes my dadgum incisions hurt. Don't scare me like that. All right, guys, let's get into it. Let's see how Tiny come about. I want you guys to see him from day one. I caught it on video, him being born. Let's get to that, and we'll get to the drawing at the end. So with these babies, we put her in this pen right here and wanted her to be able to have some time with these babies by herself. So you've seen the two babies. It's been a day or so and they are up underneath this light, but one of them is just tiny. He is so little. She did a great job. She got him cleaned off. We helped her just a little bit. And once it was all over with, said and done, she really started tending to those babies. And if I could catch it on video, you could see the little one. It's all he can do to get up there and reach, but she's taking care of all three of them. So let me get in here and see if I can get a little bit better footage of them now that they're about a day old. So I wanted to get him up to show you guys just how little he is. He is a quarter of the size of his brothers, but she done a great job for us. And we call him Tiny. He is so little, but we want her to be able to raise him. So putting her in this smaller pen allows her to focus on these kids, take care of them, and when they get up to doing a little better, we'll let them out in the big pasture. But it's going to take a little bit of time for him to get going. He's so little. So little. But I hope to catch him nursing here in a second. We've seen him nurse several times, and he's doing good. He's humongous.
It goes tall and medium and short.
Let me show you something, brother. You might as well learn this right now. Can I get that, please?
He's getting all that colostrum. There the little one goes.
That little one's got a hard road to hoe.
Tiny. So I've got him out, and we're going to get a weight on him. What we have is a plastic bag and a fish scale. So we're going to set him in here and get a weight. So just see, make sure he is gaining. I can feel him. He is. His belly's full, so let's just get a weight on him. Let's see. So he's gained from 1.9 to 2.9. He's gained a pound.
Well, it says 268.
So you can see he's gained a pound.
He does feel heavy.
He is. He's doing good. He's sucking. He's getting milk. But he is just a teeny little thing. So he's doing good. We're glad to see that. We're keeping a good watch on him. Let's put him back down with his mama.
Look at how little he is. Look at that. Just a baby.
I know. Look how little his head is. He's growing though. He's grown quite a bit.
He's so little. Our dog is bigger than him.
I know. He's doing good though.
He's so light. So little. Look.
Look at his tiny ears.
I know, his ears are like bigger than his whole head. What is he? Look how like he just His ears, look. They're as big as his head.
I know. His head's so tiny.
Aw. Sweet little thing.
Oh, you can feel his bones so easily.
He's growing.
He has to get bigger. I can't believe it's that tiny in a boy.
I know, it's just so little. Look. Can you get like the...
Yeah, I got it. He's all legs.
Yeah, he is.
He's got
He's
some
lanky, like
long
very
legs.
lanky.
Yeah, he's very lanky.
Lanky.
But he's growing though. He's eating. Now look at him compared to his brother.
I mean, the size difference.
It's no comparison.
The videos don't even do him justice. He is so little.
But look how he's moving around. But there's no comparison to the two.
No.
His brother's legs are bigger than him.
I know.
You should really try to do some sort of like real comparison.
I don't know how to get it.
I think that's the tiniest scoop in the world.
Let me see that other one and the tiny one.
God, they're just...
Dad, get her the big one and the tiny one.
Look how big he is.
No.
I mean, she's a big
Poor
doe.
thing.
She's a big doe.
But that's a girl. She's the tallest, and that one's medium, and that one's short.
He's just stretching out.
Does the other one go?
Huh?
The black and white one?
Yeah, he's just laying there.
So as you guys can see, Tiny was the littlest goat that had ever been born on our farm, and we really wanted the best for him. We wanted him to make it through that, and so we just, you know, kept him in with his mom into a smaller pen. It was in the winter.
Yeah, there was a few winter spells there, and you could see that he just continued to thrive. He continued to gain weight. We monitored that, and he was a feisty little dude. His brothers were bigger than him, but he acted like he was just as big as them.
Oh, gotcha, I got you. Oh, he's getting heavy.
He's getting heavy.
Mm-hmm.
That means he's growing.
You ready? Ten 4.
So 10-4.
Let's see if he's
Hold it for a second. Look at me. Alright, so we just got him weighed, and you've seen the scales. Tiny has done really good. He is growing. He's doing great. She's taking good care of him. She has 42 pounds of babies right now. Well, BT's Beauty, you are doing a great job raising these 3 little bucklings.
Tiny has been able to leave his cage finally. So let's go see the progress and what he looks like now. And here he is. He is doing great out here. Big difference. Big, big difference.
Always something with these goats, I tell you. He looks like a midget.
That's the first thing I noticed.
We can give him Tiny males.
These three are always together.
Yeah, they don't ever separate. They run together all the time.
That's probably because they were kept.
Then it eventually became time for him to be weaned from his mom, so we brought him over to our house with some other goats and took him away from his mom.
Yeah, he come over here with some other bucklings, and he was just not as big as them, but he was a big dude. He had a big attitude, and he continued to grow and do well here on his own away from his mama. So this is the day that you guys can see Tiny has made it to his weaning day. So we are pulling Tiny off his mama today, and we are taking him over here to my place to wean. Just don't let them go up beside you over there when they go. Pull that gate back around to you. Alright, so we are about to pull up to Tiny's new home, and I must say, he's got it pretty good.
Yep.
Let's look at his new house. Tiny is living the good life. Let's go check him out and see how much he's grown, and just see his new house. Alright, so we made it up here, and as you guys can see, he's got it pretty good. He's in, what would you call it, goat paradise?
Yeah.
They even give us some of his favorite treats, and we're gonna feed him. But guys, he's grown, he's gotten big. He's thriving up here. He's got a little buddy with him. Well, how are you doing, mister? You wanna feed him?
He wanted a chip. Here. How about a banana? He likes the potato chips. Ow! My finger.
She's gonna take the whole thing. What do you think about him?
I think it's funny.
He's gotten big.
He really has.
Compared to what he was, just that teeny little bitty baby. I mean, this guy's big. I mean, at 1.9 ounces when he was born,
Oh, it's my finger.
to where he is now, he's spoiled rotten. He's very well taken care of. These guys love him. He couldn't have went to a better home, and we're just glad. They kind of put him out and they trim up the vegetation, and then they let him loose, but they have a pen for him, and they take very good, very good care of him. So he went to a really, really good home.
Come here.
He thinks something in his bowl.
Oh no.
You want a snack, don't you? Remember him? Remember holding him as a little bitty baby?
Yep.
And look at him now. What's your name? He don't know us as well as he knows them. Alright, so we got the YouTube random comment picker, and we got the link copied, so we'll go fetch a comment and see who wins. So there's quite a few comments. Pick a winner. the Blevins Family Farm said, "Congrats on 15K. Glad to see you doing well." And the winner is the Blevins Family Farm. So these guys right here, they won the goat. So just reach out to us through email and get in touch with us, and we'll figure out how you guys can get here to get her, and we appreciate it.
And we're super excited that you guys are gonna get her.
Yep. All right, so we appreciate all you guys watching this video and seeing Tiny grow and seeing where he is now. And we really appreciate the people participating in the giveaway goat. And like I said, just reach out to me through email. It's in the description. And then contact me. We'll get in touch with one another. And then you got to come to Texas to get her. So we really appreciate it. And if you guys are in the Northeast Texas area and looking for a place to stay, the Four Winds Venue and Suites is very nice.
That's where Tiny resides at.
Yeah, you can go see
So
Tiny.
you'll be able to see him there.
Yeah, so you can go see Tiny.
You can feed him. She'll give you a bowl of
Yep.
food to feed him. He likes bananas and tomatoes, which you guys seen in the video today.
Potato chips.
Yeah, potato chips was his favorite.
Yeah, so you guys can go check that out. It's a very nice place. I'll show you some clips of the place. It's a Victorian style home. Super nice people. Like I said, Tiny is in goat heaven there. And we just appreciate all of our old subscribers, our new subscribers that come along. This channel has grown a lot in the past couple months. You guys are staying up with our journey. I'm still fighting. I'm still going every day. We're learning to take this chemo, and we just appreciate all you guys supporting the channel, watching the videos, and it's just been good. We really appreciate it.
Yeah.
So I guess we're going to end this.
Yep.
You remember how to end the video?
Thanks for watching the video, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll catch you on the next one.
She did it. All right, guys. We'll see you guys on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.